MBOT Stock Analysis and Price Prediction. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end, find out. With Microbot Medical, we're sitting at $2.05, 13% up. Where the heck are we heading next is the question. I've gotten thousands of quick predictions over the last 4 years. I've spent thousands of courses and mentors and documented everything. Generally speaking, I'm still looking to take things up. And even my previous prediction was on point, like on point. Let me show you the proof. There you go. Like this was made 5 days ago, 29th of January. Have the highs, then I'm gonna long. There you go. Right. At the time, 179. Now we are 205. Wow, hooray. Yeah, ultimately looking to this to deliver to at least 238. Theoretically, like we got something here. This would have definitely been something that I would log. And yeah, ideally want to take even the 340 highs. But other than that, this is just an idea. It's not financial advice. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.